I like doing promotional activities for shows and concerts. Yes, it helps in attracting people to watch, pero mas natutuwa ako dahil ito ang opportunity ko para makilala ang mga kababayan natin, especially sa mga probinsya na hindi madalas makapanood ng live shows. Kahit papaano ay nakakapagbigay na rin ng konting kaligayahan sa kanila. It's also a joy to meet all kinds of people from all walks of life in our society. Bongga pa ang mga Ilonggos dahil may drum beaters pa sa promo.
This is 97.5 Love Radio. Kailangan ko bang i-memorize yan? Pisyo na to! Tututu! Kumusta po mga kabisyon? Nako, super duper excited ang lola nyo. Kasi naman meron ako isang espesyal na panaunin dito sa Love Radio. Walang iba kundi si... Nagulat ako ha, biglang sumakit ang bangs ko. Pagpasok ko dito, andito na siya. Miss Sarah Geronimo! Palakpakan naman siya! I actually just had an interview with her. Konting chika-chika with Sarah Geronimo. So mas wealthy ang Iloilo kasi Iloilo is included as one of the cities na pupuntahan ng What Love Is tour, hindi ba?
Yes, ito po ang people.
I learned that it's actually a nationwide tour at napaka-lucky po ng Iloilo because we are one of the cities na pinuntahan ni Miss Sarah Geronimo and Martin Rivera. This is actually my second time to have an interview with Miss Sarah Geronimo. The first time was some few years back, so this is the second time. Palakpakan naman para kay Miss Sarah Geronimo! I had fun. I had fun.
Actually, we were, parang it's just a collaboration of yung, alam mo yun, the typical na pang-hype up for an event. So, yun. Para ma-appreciate naman nila na parang they are welcome here in Iloilo and that, of course, para malaman ng Ilonggos that Sarah's here na in Iloilo. Parang gano'n.
Gusto siya makita eh. Kaya sinasabi ko rin sa mga pinupuntahan namin, okay lang tumingin yung mga fans, basta huwag lang masyadong dumikit. Huwag lang masyadong lumapit. Dahil paano makakapag-high yung Sarah Geronimo kung andun sila sa gilid niya. Hindi niya may pagbigyan ng iba. Because I think they would like to say less issue. Will have winning players here. Super. Yes, this is my first time to meet in person Miss Sarah Geronimo, and I find her very pleasing. She's much prettier than she is in film and in TV. So we're just super happy that Sarah is here in Iloilo just to visit us. Tayo naman dalawa pa picture si Sarah naman kukuha. And she has a very nice personality, better than an ordinary politician. So she's charming. She has this charm that could really attract a lot of people to watch, to look, and even have a glimpse of her. We have her #1 fan, our city budget officer, Minda Atinado, and then next, of course, the mayor's staff was very excited. I think 3 araw na yata hindi nakatulog to at saka nagpe-prepare talaga. And then, of course, the association of barangay captains and barangay kagawads, the officers are also here. Actually, they were supposed to have their meeting this morning, but when they learned that Sarah is coming, they all transferred their meetings with the mayor in the afternoon just to see her. Sarah's name would already sell herself, so we really didn't have to prepare that much because when everybody learned that she's coming, everybody was excited. And they're just interested to see and watch her perform. Definitely, I'm gonna be there, and not only me, but I'm looking at about all the barangay officials. All about 2,000 of them is going to storm the Central Philippine University to watch Miss Sara Geronimo and Mr. Martin Rivera. I would like to present this
Yes, Mayor Mabilog. Ayun, maraming binigay actually si Mayor. Maraming salamat po, Mayor Mabilog, for your warm welcome at yung mga binigay niyo pong pasalubong. Ayan, binigyan kami ng may biskotso, may butterscotch, ganyan, ang sasarap, masasarap.
This is the official mascot of our festival.
At yun yung dal din ng Dinagyang Festival. So, thank you po.
Siyempre, starstruck pa rin ako kay Sara. Kaya nga hanggang ngayon, Sara pa rin ako eh. Kaya, andun yung contribution ko na ayaw ko siya masaktan. Yun siguro, starstruck ako doon sa kanila. Ayaw ko siya masaktan.
Sama po natin live dito sa MOR via Pop Princess, Miss Sara Geronimo.
Hello! Good afternoon! Dito sa lahat ng listeners ng MOR.
For this tour kasi we took Sara to ABS-CBN MOR. We asked her to promote Bello Fight.
Mali po, Chief, para po sa akin na nag-aalaga sa skin ko. My skin is being taken care of by Bello Essentials. At ayun, nandito rin po ako para mag-thank you sa Bello Essentials sa pag-invite po nila sa akin dito na makasama ko dito sa MOR.
It's basically inviting the listeners of the radio of MOR to join Bello Fight.
Thank you po. And, thank you, sir.